Jewelry art.
We are back again, Luc and Norma. This time we are going to talk about jewelry. Here we will show you some of the pieces that Luc has been doing with steampunk art, starting with these nice earrings that he did. Like I just saw them and they are beautiful. I hope you can see them. Using parts of the computer and a little bit of grapes. So it is a beautiful jewelry. See? Did you see? It's nice. I love it.
Me parts the computers, caps, resistors. So here parts the computer. Me
Boards, little boards that go inside of the computer.
the RAMs. So me broken here good, and
Well, he cut them in pieces and then he creates his art.
this for the jewelry. This here RAM, the before, and me cut the ear and jewelry or caps, resistors, gears, skull, and
Well, this is the thing to make the earrings.
yeah,
To
so
hold the earrings. I don't remember its name.
like, or
Oh, he can make some charms.
charms,
Those are charms
gears for
in the watches.
yeah.
Pieces
So-
of watches that he's using to create the jewelry. Now he has been making these little capsules that are made with resins, and inside they have the pieces of the, how do you call those?
Clock.
Parts of the clock, and they look beautiful. You see as if you were seeing a real stone, but it's filled with nice pieces of the clock, of watches, see, and different shapes.
Here.
Infinity of things he can create.
And me, the jewelry is this, like this, and that's it. Me think,
Let me see it to show it. Like he has a different kind of models, you see? So nice. That could be like this. Or
this, but one, because tomorrow, so
Yes.
box and box the parts.
yeah. This is another model. No? They are very beautiful. Like
And
soon you will be able to find them in our store.
this model once, because art.
Yes, the model of the styles are unique because every day he creates different things. It depends of what his brain directs him.
Yes, because art.
Yes,
The-
because this is art, and
and me
there will never be a similar style.
No,
All of them are unique.
and me think once and once. Oh no, back and another one. So the brain is hard because that time is good, but to do tomorrow,
it will be different.
yes.
So I hope you have liked this little video that we did for you, like showing the nice jewelry that Luc is creating. Thanks a lot for watching us, and we see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.